Hi friends, so welcome back everyone once again to my channel and let us look into today's trade in Bank Nifty. So I think today was a very easy day. Everyone those who followed the 920 straddle would have made very good money because one of the leg got closed out and another one was running in profit. But being a non-directional trader, it was a very tough day today because market suddenly started moving in one direction after 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock or something like that. So it's very difficult for a non-directional trader. But being a directional trader, it was very good. Market gave one-side movement and it was an excellent profits. So let us see how I did my trade today, and there'll be a lot of learning for you as well because converting a position from a non-directional to a directional. And so if you ask me whether I'm a directional trader or a non-directional trader, friends, let me tell you, there is no rule that you have to only follow directional or you only have to follow non-directional. I do both. So now you can tell me I'm a kind of chameleon trader. Okay, that is the word because I keep changing my changing my strategies based on the market direction. So based on whether the market is sideways, accordingly I take a sideways position. If it is going up, I take a bullish position. Same in the case when it is coming down. It has got its own advantages. The main thing is that it will reduce your drawdowns. Okay. So without wasting much time, let us get into today's trade. And if you're watching the video for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button, also the bell button. You'll be getting daily updates on my strategies which I do, the discretionary trading which I do. And also there are a lot of things which you can learn from my channel, lot of strategies for the working professionals. I'll do my best to educate you how much ever I can. So please do subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, so today as you can see Bank Nifty almost opened flat and there was initial selling off because everybody, those who were holding the positions in the last week, would start selling immediately as soon as the market opened. So I was just little delay in taking off my positions. I did not go to take immediately. I just waited to just see if the VIX is cooling off or not. Okay, so you can see that the initial selling off, huge selling off, but then presently you can see market is come back to sideways movement. So it is right for entering our straddles. So this is what I have done. I just took a small positions, not small positions, I can say half of my positions initially. Reason being, I just wanted to test the water. I don't want to jump and come into a conclusion. I just want to see if it is having any spikes or if there is any decay happening. So I just try to enter my position step by step slowly. This is what also I have done now as well. Okay, so let us look into the option chain, friends. Option chain give you the OI interest, option interest will give you very good analysis if at all you are able to master this. Let me tell you one more thing. Technical analysis is not going to be 100% perfect, you know it. So then why rely only on technical analysis? You can depend on OI as well, open interest. I'm talking about open interest. So by technical analysis, let us say you're getting 50-60% of your accuracy, and then if you look into this open interest as well, you will get additional 10-20% of accuracy. So what happens is overall your accuracy will increase. That is why I am looking into OI as well. I'm a little difficult in pronunciation. Okay, it's open interest. Okay, so now what we can see in this is very clear that the call writers have been increasing. So I being a seller, I am taking a perspective that the open interest is showing the sellers. So the call changes increasing, it means what? It is very clearly indicating that the market might go down. That is what as per my analysis is. But again, it can change in any movement. But presently, due to the huge sell-off, we can see that the call is being sold heavily. Okay, and same is the case. You can see big pillars. Now the biggest resistance which I can find is at this particular level, that is 35,200 is got the highest open interest, and thereby we can understand that it's going to be an area where there's going to be huge resistance coming to us. And call side, if at all you are observing call side, it is at 35,000. Okay, first let me draw a line at 35,200 so that I'll come to know in case if market crosses this level, I'll be able to take precautions. I can try to be bullish above this point. Okay, so the point is very simple, 35,200. Presently market is at 100 points below this point. And as I told you, the bottom part, that is the support, is at 35,000. You can see huge open interest at 35,000. So it is a very big round figure. So you can expect good resistance and support at that level. So this is my range, friends. Very tight range. It's only 200 points range. and most of the time if technicals is not supporting you, open interest will really help you in finding out the levels, friends. Okay, so for today this is the level which I'm going to find. Anything which goes above this line I will be bullish, and anything which comes below this line I'll be bearish. Till then I'm going to be neutral, and this is the stand which I took for today. Perfect. Yeah, okay. So and then you can also mix it up with your technical skills as well, technical analysis, just a simple two indicators I'm using. And then I feel as of now market is moving sideways, so you can see there is no much big movement, and also you can, my present situation is completely neutral. To just in case if I just want to see my position, this is what I usually check. You can see that it is completely neutral as of now, and the Greeks also you can see usually depend on the theta. Almost you can see 92,424 is the theta, very good value of theta. If market remains in this range, I am going to be in very good profit. But which that is not going to happen, friends. You all know that market always keeps jumping that side and this side, and especially now that the VIX is very, very high, don't even expect Bank Nifty to trade in this range. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just trying to add more positions, and I'll try to take 2000 points far hedge so that you know it will really give me extra capital. So if I'm taking a hedge which is 2000, then my per straddle will come to around 1 lakh. Okay, so if you make your hedge 1000, then it will come to 70, 80k, even it will come sometimes to 50, 60k. I've seen it comes to that range as well. But we need to have you should understand that your hedge will lose value as well. So accordingly, please select your hedges. So the maximum which you can add is only 48 lots. Yeah, so accordingly let me just add 48 lots and just take a position. This is the problem with Bank Nifty. Now you can't add more than this. It will add to your transaction cost, but it's okay, part and parcel of this business. So let me just quickly add off all the positions, and then show this is how I just keep adding my positions through Sensible. It's a very nice trading platform for placing all the trades, also for the open interest, and also for checking the trade situation, how is it. So for all this, Sensible is very, very helpful. You can just make use of the website. The link I will provide in the description. Okay, friends. Okay, so now you can see I have taken positions, and once again I am neutral. You can see I have taken 2000, and we are completely neutral as of now. Okay, so Bank Nifty is neutral, so presently I'm in a neutral situation as well. As long as it's going to trade in this level, you can see it's going to be a sideways market, and accordingly we can change our positions as well. So I'm completely neutral, friends, and having a decent profit of around 17 to 18,000 as of now, and let us see how it is going to happen. Okay, friends, now you can see around 11:20 this is what has happened. Bank Nifty tried to break our resistance line, but then as I told you, 35,200 is going to be very, very crucial, and this is what exactly you can see. Market has rebounded from this level. Yeah, so it basically this is what I was telling you. Open interest will give you a very good idea as to, friends, what is going to happen, where will be the resistance and where will be the support. And as of now I have not done any changes, and you can see profits are around 40,000. You can see I have not done any changes, not taken any positions. The same entry which I took at 954, that's it, nothing else done as of now, and sitting at a decent profit of around 40,000 presently. Completely sideways market, and 12:20 you can see the spike. Bank Nifty has given a huge spike, and as I told you, this was the area which we had to worry upon. Okay, I told you, I had mentioned you very clearly, this is going to be the area where Bank Nifty will give you very good resistance, and that is what exactly has happened now. Okay, so you can see Bank Nifty has given a very good spike, and the call options had to be cut off. This is what I have done. So I just cut off the call options. I not cut fully, because it can reverse back as well. We have to look into open interest as well. So as of now closed 3 legs. I have made it like almost 50% value of the put. So accordingly, if at all market reverses also, I'll have something to catch up on. And as I told you, I'm not a 100% directional traders. I'm trying to be directional and non-directional as well. So it is very much important that I hedge my positions. So this is how it is. But the market, you can see, has continued to go up and up and up. There was no signs of coming down. Initially there was a small, you can see here, a small reversal here. The market was trying to come a small, it took a little bit of break and took a reversal, but then once again it started continuing and going up and up. So then I had no other option, started closing all my call options and left only with the put options, nothing else, and then added one more put option. This is what you can see at 34,500. I just added one more. Okay, so as you can see, I closed all my call options which were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost all the 5 legs I closed. And then I also add a little bit of put options because I can see that the market is trending very much. We must make use of the opportunity. So this is how my position, friends. Presently I am completely bullish. If at all you want to, if at all I just have to check my trade analytics how it is showing. You can see that it is completely bullish. As long as market continues to go up, I'll keep making profits, and if at all it reverses, you can see that the loss also will increase heavily. So then automatically I will be again doing adjustments. It's not that I just blindly wait. Slight changes of market reversing, yes, I will do the adjustments. But presently you can see that I am completely bullish, and that is what even the analytics also is telling me. And it's a very nice platform, sensible. It always gives us how the positions, the analytics of what our position is, so accordingly we can do the adjustments. And also if at all you want to place orders also directly, we can place orders from this sensible as well. Okay, now if you ask me where I want to start doing the adjustments, then I have kept this indicator, my super trend indicator, setting 10,3. so once if bank nifty comes back to this level or crosses this level, or if the super trend changes color, that is it becomes red, then I have decided to do the adjustments. Till then I will allow the puts to continue to move in the direction of the trade. Okay, so presently I can see we're in a decent profit of around 37,000, 38,000, and we are still half the way done for today. And market is just started moving sideways as of now. Okay, and there was little bit signs of reversal happening as well. So but presently it's not bullish, neither it is just trying to maintain the sides, maintain the position sideways, and we are having good decent profits. Okay, so if super trend, if it crosses below the super trend, then I will do the adjustment. And also you can see that the RSI also is trying to come below 60. This also is one thing, parameter which we would look. And also the super trend, we can see once if it crosses below this super trend, then I have decided to do the adjustment. Okay, yeah. So friends, it's around close to 3 o'clock. I'm just trying to close all my positions. Okay, quantities were higher. Let me just quickly close the positions and show you, refresh you. Okay, so I have closed all my position, and this is the profit. I closed with a profit of 1,07,000. So excluding the charges, I can say I made a profit of around 1 lakh. So this was the trade which I did for today. Very simple. I don't think it was much complicated today, but from a non-directional point of view, this is what the trade which I did today. I just wanted to explain to you, just wanted to show you how it was. And hope you liked today's video. If at all you have any doubts, you can just WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095 876525. And any other confusion, as I told you, feel free to ask me. And friends, hope you are really liking this content. Please do press the subscribe button and also the like button. Thank you and have a nice day.